Hello everybody, this is Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations, and this is my lemon pepper chicken ramen. I have a recipe video for lemon pepper chicken, and this is leftover lemon pepper chicken that I used to put on top of my lemon pepper chicken ramen. So stay tuned and see how it's done. Okay, so I've got about a cup and a half of homemade chicken stock, and I'm going to add our ramen to it because I'm bringing it up to a boil, and our little packet is not going to be used. I don't need this. While it's coming up to heat there, I'm going to add some salt, a nice decent sized pinch there, pepper, some basil, like so, some lemon, and a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna add some thyme, and we'll let that go until it's ready. Okay, this has been going for a couple minutes, so I'm gonna add some heavy cream to it. Like so. Give it a stir. Give it a nice creaminess to it. And I'm gonna let that go another minute. Okay, that's been going another minute, so I went ahead and turned the heat off. I'm gonna remove my lemon piece there. Got our bowl here, transfer it to a bowl. And I've got some of my lemon pepper chicken. So we'll just lay that here. Like so. Piece of lemon and some more thyme. But there you go. That's our lemon pepper chicken ramen. Really good, tasty. Thanks for watching. See you soon.